welcome to Ahana's Dance Studio. I'm gonna start a 10 days, 10 new tricks challenge. So if you are interested, do join in 10 days with me. We are gonna learn 10 new tricks in these 10 days. So don't forget, if you are ready, let's move on. Grab some water and come on. Yeah, get ready. Let's start. So, first you need your hoop. This is a beginner's class. So, firstly we're going to learn waist hooping only. For doing waist hooping, you have to keep your legs in like your shoulder, okay? You have to keep your legs a bit wide, and then can you see this? Yes. You have to keep your legs wide and then grab the hoop. You have to keep it in your waist. You don't have to catch the hoop like this. You do not catch the hoop like this. You should not like this, neither this nor this. Okay? You have to catch the hoop. This. Look. This is the correct way to catch the hoop, and you will get your hula hooping easily. Okay? Let's start. First you have to go to the right, then to the left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Then you have to move to the left side, and then yes, you have to push the hoop with your left hand. Okay? Left hand towards the right side like this. Okay? Wait, let me show you. So you are catching the hoop like this, and you have to give force from the left hand like this. Okay? And the body movement is from side to side like this. Okay? Side to side, side to side. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, let's start. Let's do it from the first. Catch the hoop like this, and then move to the right, then left, right, and left. Then give force with your left hand like this and move side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can either keep your hands like this, or you can widen your hands and keep your hands straight. Okay? You can do both. I'm just doing this. If you wish, then you can do this too. Okay? It's normal to not get in the first time. So it's okay if you are failing, no problem. It will eventually get improved. Okay? Let's start once again. Maybe it will go like this. Sometimes it may go like this. So just don't be worried. You will get it surely. Okay? Let's do it once again. Keep your legs wide, and then catch the hoop like this, and then move right to left, right, left, right, left, and then give force from the left hand, okay, towards the right side, like this. Okay, and then move side to side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to repeat this 2 more times. Now we have did 2 times, and you have to repeat it 2 more times, and you will get it. Okay? Yay! You have learned waist hooping. Now the next trick is wrist hooping. Okay? Let's try wrist hooping. Do you know which the wrist is? This is the wrist, okay? Where we wear our watch, okay? Let's go. Keep your hoop straight like this in front of you, and then take your right hand and keep your hoop on to the right hand, and then you have to move it like we did in the waist hooping. You have to move the hoop in the like this, okay? That's right. 1, 2, right, left, and then you have to give force with the left leg towards the right side like this, okay? Let me show you. Like you have to give force with your left hand. Like 1, 2, right, left, and go. Yes, and the movement of the hands is up and down like this, okay? Let's go. Keep your hands in the front. Which hand? Right hand. Very good. And then your left hand should grab the hoop and keep it in the wrist of right leg, and then right hand, and then right, left, and give force to the right side. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. You're doing it. Very, very nice. Good job. Wrist hooping is a very easy trick. If you are a beginner, you must learn it because it's so easy. You have learned 2 tricks today. In the next video, we'll learn many more tricks. Stay with me in the 10-day series of 10 new tricks. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. I'm signing off.